Hi everybody and welcome to this new tutorial in SQL, okay, in data alchemy. In this tutorial we are going to talk about how to update some values that we already inserted in a table and how to delete a value from a table, okay? So in the previous lecture we talked about how to use the select statement and how to use the where clause, okay, if we have a condition. Okay, so let's head into workbench. As I did in this previous lecture and as I told you why, we must select which database we are going to use. In our case it's the course database that we still are using. Okay, we still are using the same data sets that we have, which is select all from employees. Okay, we already know this statement. Okay, here is the data set that we are using. 1 Michael Scott 60,000, 2 Jim Halpers 50,000, etc. So when I was inserting values, I made a mistake. Okay, purposefully, of course. Here in Dwight Schrute, I put a D instead of a T. Okay, it's gotta be Dwight Schrute, not Schrute. Okay, so that's the mistake that I made. How am I going to correct? How am I going to correct that mistake? We are going to use the update statement. We type update, okay, then the name of the table that we want to update. We want to update the employees table, okay, update employees, then set, okay, the name of the column that we want to make a change in it. In our case it's the employee name, so set employee name equals to, and now the value that we want to change it into. Okay, and because it's a string, as I told you in the second lesson, we must put strings between quotes. Okay, so now we type the value that we want to change into. It's Dwight Schrute. Okay, and now we gotta mention a condition, because if we leave it like this, workbench gotta ask, do you want me to change all of the employee names or what? No, we don't want that. We want to change only Dwight Schrute and change it into Dwight Schrute. So we have a condition, right? And the condition is the employee name is Dwight Schrute. Okay, so that's the condition. And when we hear condition at this level, we use where clause. Okay, where employee name equals to, and now the value that we already have stored in our table. Okay, Dwight Schrute. Okay, and don't forget the semicolon. Now control enter, and now you can see that one row affected, row matched is 1 and changed 1. So now I want to see the change. Okay, so I'm gonna use select all from employees. Okay, oops, that's not Nate but an asterisk. And now we can see that we have Dwight Schrute with a T instead of a D. Okay, I can I can make the change based on another column, which is the employee ID, and not the salary column. Why? Because let's pretend that we have an employee X, okay, and has the same salary as Dwight Schrute. So when I'm going to type where salary equals to 55,000, it's gonna change both values, and we don't want that. So when we want to make a change, we make changes based on a unique attribute, okay? And something that is unique is like employee name, okay? And ultimately use the employee ID, because two employees cannot have the same employee ID, okay? So let's say I want to change the salary of Pam Beasley and make it 40,000, for example, okay? So I'm gonna use update statement, update the name of the table, which is employees, okay? Set, and now we are setting salary equals to $40,000, and because it's an integer, we don't have to put it between quotes, where employee ID equals to, and now Pam Beasley employee ID is 3, and now semicolon, and now one row affected, rows matched one, cell changed one, and boom. Here we can see that Pam Beasley, it's her salary equals to 40,000, okay? So now for example, if I want to delete a value, a row from a table, okay? So let's say I want to delete Dwight Schrute, all this row, okay? How am I going to do it? I'm using the delete from statement, delete from, and then the employee, the name of the table, which is employees, okay? And if I leave it like this, okay, and hit Control and Enter, it's gonna delete all the values that we have in the employee table, and of course we don't want that. And I don't want that because I don't want to rewrite all the values. So I only want to delete the row that has the employee ID equals to 4, and that's a condition, right? And when we hear a condition, boom, we use the where clause to this level. Employee ID equals to 4, and Control Enter, select all from employees, and now we can see that the row of Dwight Schrute is now deleted from the employees table. So guys, that's it. I hope that this tutorial was helpful, and if you have any question, leave it in the comment section and I will be very glad to answer it. And don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe, and see you in the next tutorial, and take care. Bye bye.